Hello, my name is Renjitha. This class is about how to paint and how to draw daisy using simple and easy methods. We will talk in detail how to draw the flowers and leaves, and I will demonstrate the painting in a step-by-step real-time process. So here are some of the things that I cover in the class. To help you get started, I will share my list of must-have art supplies that you require to create this beautiful artwork. I will show you how to sketch the daisy flower using some measurements, and it will be more easy for you to draw the daisy flower without any sketch. You can easily draw with this technique, and I will show different posture of the daisy so you can explore the creative and you can create and design your own flower combinations with that. Then I take you through simple technique for painting, creating background using limited colors and how to blend the colors, and also I will show how to paint daisy flowers using different brushes, round and filbert brush, and also I cover all the fine details and techniques for learning this technique, and including different brushes, different strokes, and I show all the easy methods for you to paint flowers and leaves, and I included very limited colors so it will be more easy for you to follow the shades and twists and turns in the strokes. So the technique that we are going to use in this class will help you train your hands and minds with creative and confidence to paint flowers and leaves. And I included small projects for you to try out without any sketch, and I think it will be easy for you to practice and learn. If you are curious to learn this beautiful painting technique, welcome to my Skillshare class. If you are a beginner or if you are an experienced artist, everyone is welcome to my class. Enroll today, follow me and stay up to date about my new class. So let's get started.